Hey y'all, I am Tika, and in today's video I will be showing you how you can put your natural hair into a ponytail. If you have been struggling with trying to find that right product to rock that ponytail, then this is the video for you. I'm going to pretty much show you how you can slick up your hair and put that hair into a ponytail. So this video that you can kick it with, let's go ahead and get into YouTube's algorithm. Give this video a like, share it with all your family and all your friends and all your good sis. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the products that I use, what type of ponytail I use, what type of brush that you're going to use to get that natural hair into a ponytail. So in the video, I'll be showing you guys all just that. I hope that you actually enjoy the video. So maybe that's what I'll do. So I'm gonna start with the center of my hair, and I'm gonna do a high ponytail. I want my ponytail to be up really high. So I'm gonna just start here. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put edge control right here, and then whenever I do my whenever I lay my hair down, I find that using a foot brush, I like to use this brush, y'all, because this brush is really strong, and I like to just use this brush to kind of Okay, y'all, so you got to unravel this like this. Okay, I was like kind of stuck for a second, y'all. I gotta bear with me. This is my first time doing a ponytail. Okay, here we go. Okay, I was just trying to take this clip, come with 3 little clips, and that's how it looks. And then it come with this little thing attached, with hair attached to it. I don't want to say this little thing, but it come with hair attached to it. But this density is very pretty, y'all. So how did you like the video? I hope that you found this video very helpful, and now I'm going to go ahead and kind of give you my specs and my thoughts about how I feel about this ponytail. The ponytail that I'm wearing today is the Outre Pretty Quick Premium Synthetic Fiber Pony, and this is the style Jumbo Kinky Straight, 30 inches long. I have this color in the color number 2. Now with this ponytail only come in 3 colors, so it only comes in the color 1, 1B, and 2. And it's also a bulk-free ponytail, and it is a wrap-around ponytail, and it's very quick. Now with this ponytail is very, very soft. It's very long too, and that's the thing that I like about this ponytail. I bought this ponytail because I was actually looking for a thick ponytail, but you know, not too thick, because I didn't want it to feel like I had a horse sitting on the top of my head. I didn't want to feel like that, so I decided that I would check out this ponytail and kind of see what we're working with now. Now for the most part, I did not have a hard time actually slicking down my hair. I was actually shocked, y'all. I didn't think that my hair was actually going to take this edge control, but for the most part it did actually hold like it said it was going to hold, and it said that it is an actual 24-hour edge tamer extra mega hold. Now I don't know if I'm going to keep this on for 24 hours or not, but it does say that you can wear this edge control on your hair and it'll hold for basically a whole day. Prior to coming on camera, I did shampoo, condition, and deep condition my hair. I did not put any type of products on my hair. Usually after I wash my hair, I put some Blue Magic grease in my hair, but today I did not do that because I felt like if you're using edge control, I didn't want to have all that buildup, and for the most part I figured that the edge control would just go slip right on out my head and it wasn't going to stick. Now the edge control that I used today is this 24-hour edge tamer extra mega hold by Ebony, New York, and this is actually the brown container. This was actually a full jar, y'all. Before I came on camera, this was actually a full jar. So whenever I did do this ponytail, I was actually using a brand new jar, and I have a half of a jar left, and this is a small one. This is a 2.7 fluid ounce size. So for the most part, keep that in mind, that if you have more hair than me, that you're probably going to use this whole jar, or you're probably going to need another jar. But whenever you are doing this, whenever you're putting your hair into a ponytail, I would literally start in the middle, like you saw me do in the video. I would start in the middle and then work your way up into circles. Now whenever you lay that edge control, I did not put that edge control on the whole hair. I just put the edge control on the roots of my hair, and that's all I did. And I just took this brush and I brushed it up into a ponytail, and it stayed straight for the most part throughout the whole entire video. Now the brush that I use, this brush is a little bit dirty, but I got this little brush from Dollar Tree. You can buy this brush from pretty much anywhere that sell feet products, or wherever you could buy some foot care products. I basically use this brush. This is a brand new brush. No, y'all, I did not use this brush. This is not my real foot brush, but I decided to buy this brush because I felt like this brush was very, very hard, and I haven't found no brush where it's literally gonna my natural hair. And then, you know, because some brushes, they be feeling like really hard on your hair, so I don't really like them type of brushes because they just hurt so much. But with this foot brush, y'all are really gonna love this brush. I use this brush to lay down my edges. I use this brush whenever I'm doing my headband wigs, and most importantly, y'all, today I use this brush to do my ponytail for the most part, and I felt like it really, really worked wonders on your natural hair. Now, I don't know what my hair texture is, but if you do know my hair texture, please leave that in the comment section below, and it will make me feel a whole lot better when I know what type of hair texture that I have. This ponytail is very, very affordable. It's very, 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 very affordable, y'all. Wait, this says Annie. I didn't even know Annie came out with a ponytail. I might have to try her out because Annie looked like she's a lot more thicker than this one. Shows that Elevate Styles do have this ponytail in stock, and they got this ponytail for $9.99. Also, when it comes to this ponytail, you don't have to technically wear your hair like this, like up into a high ponytail. You can actually wear a low ponytail, but I didn't do that today. I was going for a high ponytail type look. And if you do want to wear this ponytail on the side, you most definitely can. And this is how it looks wearing this ponytail as a side. And I'm gonna actually see if we can do this hair up into a bun, which we can. I don't know if this look weird, y'all, but this is pretty much, if you want to wear it into a bun, you can. And I still feel like it's cute. What y'all think? Y'all think it's cute or no? So let me know in the comment section below, how do you feel about this ponytail? Now, I really like this ponytail, especially if you are natural. I did not really think that my natural hair was going to actually match with this ponytail, but for the most part, this ponytail does match my real natural hair. And I really didn't even think that I was going to be able to put my natural hair into a ponytail, but for the sake of Ebony New York edge control, this hair girl literally just slicked right on up into a ponytail, and that was that. Like I said, keep in mind, whenever you use this edge control, please do not put no other hair care product in your hair. I actually was going to put this on top of the edge control, but if I were you, you could still do that, because whenever I lay down my hair with my headband wigs, I use this edge control, and then I put this on top of it, and pretty much it leaves it gives me more of a hold all day long. Now, this is actually my first time trying out this edge control and wearing my hair into a ponytail, and for the most part it's actually still holding, but I can see a little bit of some flyaways. So if I were you, I would actually go in, after you use this, go in and put this on top of it, just when you get to the front and when you get to the back. And then I'll also go in and use some type of freezing spray. Now, you can use this type of freezing spray, or you could use any other type of freeze spray that you have. I also have this bedhead freeze spray, and you can use any type of freeze spray and use some oil sheen and go in with that too, to you know, give your ponytail more of some sheen to it. And also use the freeze spray to actually, you know, lay them flyaways so your ponytail can last all day if you need it to. Now, but yeah, so with all these hair care products, I will actually be leaving you guys a link in the description box below, so you guys can kind of see what I use. In case you forgot, I will leave all my hair care products in the description box below, as well as the name of this ponytail and where you can buy this ponytail from. If you are needing a website where you can go and buy this ponytail, or you need a website where you can go and look at some synthetic wigs or some hair care products, period, I do have a video where I actually share with y'all my top 5 hair companies where I enjoy shopping for my synthetic wigs, my go-to hair store for my synthetic wigs whenever I'm looking for a new wig or whatever the case may be. I hope that you are out there drinking all your water and getting all your vitamin D in, because like I said, that's good for your body and that's good for your what? That's good for your soul. Get as much sunlight as you possibly can, y'all, and until then, I hope to see you in my next video. Give this video a like, share it with all your family and your friends and your good sis, and peace, y'all. Y'all take care. Y'all be safe out there, y'all.